In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Sheets and Excel data into Notion. We'll walk through the process step by step, so if you have a spreadsheet you've already built and you want to bring it into Notion, you'll know exactly what to do and what to expect as you go along. First, open the Notion workspace where you want your data to live. This might be a specific page, like a client list, a project tracker, or any database where you want to keep things organized. Once you're on that page, look for the settings option. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a three-dot menu in the upper right corner, or a setting style menu near the top of the page. Click on that to open the settings and options for this page or database. Inside this menu, you'll see several choices related to how your page is displayed and managed. Here, you want to find and click on Import. This is the feature that lets you bring in data from other tools, including Google Sheets and Excel. When you click Import, Notion will open a panel or pop-up window with a list of different sources you can import from. Next, you'll need to select the right source for your data. If your file is stored in Google Sheets, choose the Google Sheets option. Notion may ask you to connect your Google account if you haven't already, so be prepared to sign in and grant permission for Notion to access your spreadsheets. If you're working with an Excel file saved on your computer, choose the option for CSV or Excel, then browse your files and select the spreadsheet you want to upload. After you've chosen the correct source and the specific file, follow the on-screen prompts that Notion gives you. These prompts may include confirming which sheet or tab you want to import if your file has more than one, and checking how the columns will be mapped into Notion properties. Take a moment to review this because each column in your spreadsheet will become a property in your Notion database, such as text, number, date, checkbox. Once everything looks good, confirm the import. Notion will create a new database or populate the existing one with the rows from your spreadsheet. When it finishes, scroll through the imported data to make sure everything came through correctly. From there, you can adjust property types, add filters and views, and continue building on your data directly inside Notion.